Hi, my name is Aditi, and this is my distinction project called CodeCompass. The goal of CodeCompass is to make learning programming concepts more easier and interactive and personalized as compared to something which is static. Live demonstration is this, where we can see as soon as the program starts, we can see the main learning screen. It shows a programming topic. For example, it is if statements in this case, along with a short explanation. I can move topics using the left and right arrow keys. This allows user to review content one topic at time without getting overwhelmed. So now we can see that it navigates. Then there is a self-assessment feature, which is one of the key features of this. If the topic feels clear, I can press U, and if the topic feels unclear, I can say mark it as needs revision. So this encourages reflection instead of passive reading. And it turns red when I press read needs revision, and it turns green when I press understood. So at the top, there is also a progress indicator. For example, this is topic 215. This is the progress indicator. And if I press a Q, so it opens a quiz system related to the current topic. So the quiz is multiple choice and the score is displayed at the end. This helps reinforce learning and gives immediate feedback. So the purpose of if statements is basically to make decisions. And if a keyword is used, we can type it as else and this be. Okay, so we can see the score is 3 on 3 and it displays it. Then finally, after I press S, it shows a summary screen which shows all the topics and their final status. This allows user to clearly see what they have mastered and what needs more focus. So this is the summary screen in which I have marked variables as need revisions, if statements are need revisions, others are not set. So now let's go to the code structure, that how I structured this program and what is the basic code behind it. So let's open VS Code for this and start. Okay, so topic name, short description, and the understanding status is stored by the struct topic. Then there is another struct called quiz question, which stores question and their options and the correct option and the user answer. Then I have several arrays in which I store multiple topics and quiz questions. Arrays allow simple index-based navigation, which makes moving topics efficient and predictable. Then we have certain helper functions, in which this is button helper, and it draws button for the UI buttons, status color and status text to convert stored values into visuals. Then there are certain screen functions, which are display topic screen, display summary screen, and run quiz for topic. So this keeps the interface organized and makes it easy to upgrade later. For example, all the interaction happens when the key is pressed. So this is done by the main loop. Left and right is for navigation, U and R for status marking, Q for quizzes, S for summary, and the event-based structure makes the program feel interactive. Then there is a main loop. So this program runs inside a main loop until the user closes it. So inside the loop, I refresh the screen, process key inputs, and display the correct interface. And for the if we talk about the extendability, I structured the project so that I can later add saving progress by file handling, loading user interface, and also AI learning assistant, which is something created by me in my HD project. So in summary, CodeCompass turns the field guide into an interactive learning tool. It supports revision, self-evaluation, and practice all inside one program. Thank you.